Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the other day I was doing a video on spacing uh, six-sided polygons 0.12 apart. And my my macro guru sent me a macro. I'm not going to show it off yet because haven't really been playing with it enough, but it's really cool. But when I was playing with his macro, I started thinking, this will be pretty easy to do it this way. The other day I did a video about using math, and this is a 7-inch uh, six-sided polygon. So if we want the spacing to be 12 apart, and this would be a lot easier than figuring out the math, just go to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour the outside 0.06, which is half that. Then a couple of things we can do because it's an equal like that. We could Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the Control button, we can just mirror it. And then we could Control D again and mirror that. And now we've got a contour line in the middle, but we're going to do something in just a second. So now let's Control G and group them. And because we have Snap to inside Corel, you could have it, evidently I didn't make a duplicate of it. Control D. It'll snap right to it, and you could make quite a these real fast. Now we still have a contour line in the middle, but instead of breaking the contour apart, this thing is like 14 inches. Let's set our nudge factor on 20. We will break the contour apart, but we don't have to do anything with it. Let's see if we have to break the contour. No, we don't. So just well, we do have to break the contour apart. Break the 12 objects apart. Now, if you'll just take and select the inside one and nudge it down, select the inside, nudge it down, 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 down. Now these are 0.12 apart in every direction. And we'll prove that with the parallel dimension tool. We have 0.12 apart everywhere. And you can make it a lot quicker than I made it the other day. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.